Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. It took all of my willpower to show up this morning. I was considering just taking the morning off and going fishing, but I am here. Let's see if we can end it with a nice green trade. It's been a tough week for catching trades, right? Or at least I would say semi-tough. Good morning, Frizz. I see how it is. I'm playing. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, me. Welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday. What's everyone got planned for the weekend? I know I'm starting a little later than usual, but I'm here at least. I'm here. Good morning, TJ. G-Man. Why did it block that? Peachy? You're welcome. What's up, Jay? See if we can have a green day. I'm up like $2,000 on the week, everyone. My total P&L for the week. I need one good trade today. Just one good trade, okay? Rundown of what I see here. One thing, a retest of the 800 area. I would watch it for a possible short, 24,800. I'm gonna watch that. But other than that, we're just gonna be patient like every day. I don't see anything I'm crazy about. If you would like to try the data strategy and you know what that is, go for it. But I'm just gonna be looking for futures trades on here. You took two $500 payouts on take profit this week. Nice, Josh. Congrats. Hey, Des, thanks for sharing the live. Let's have it, Jersey. Let's have it. Good morning. Tiffany, Spartan, good morning. How you doing this morning? David, Steve's in the house. Yeah, non-farm payroll gave us a nice push down this morning. The dad joke of the day, Jersey. What is it? Okay, what do you call a song that doesn't show up? What do you call a song that doesn't show up? I don't know this one. I'm gonna start cheating with these. Just Google search real quick. I'm playing. That's dirty. A deadbeat. Nice. Classic. This is like. Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. I sat in the steam room forever this morning, trying to get the sinus infection to go away. Good morning. Welcome in. I was telling everyone I just about took the morning off to go fishing. I was so close. I was like, well, I owe it to them. Show up and tough it out. It's been a tough week, so we might as well end it together. I won't say only because I'm thankful, but I'm currently up like 2,000 on the week overall. Good morning. You working towards your payout today, Jonathan? Is it possible to reach one today for you? Normal fishing. Just go to the property I bought. Like you can see. I'm trying to think what you all would call them, but we call them creeks. So there's a creek that runs through my property you can fish on. So I'm gonna go sit on my property probably tomorrow and just fish. Away from everything. The data strategy looks solid, but you all know the risk, and it's not something I'm gonna call out if I take. Catch you later, Jersey. Thanks for the joke this morning. G-Man says, what time should I come? It'll be at daylight. As soon as I can drag my daughter out of bed in the morning, we're gonna go fishing, so. My oldest daughter loves it. I probably fish, I mean, there's all kinds of fish in the creek. You got like smallmouth, bluegill, catfish. What else is in there? The smallmouth. I don't know if I said that. Red eye. You don't often see a crappie in the creek. Or at least I don't, where I fish. But crappie is one of my favorite fish, like just eating the taste. If you all like fish, I recommend it. Anyways, any trading related questions? It's almost time, everyone. It's almost time. I'm manifesting a 30-minute workday. Do I think we're dropping more? I'm not for sure, Renee. Just to be honest with you. Do we have any more data today? Can you all check real quick? I missed what, wait, what did you say, Thomas? Oh yeah, nice, 30-minute workday. What caused the drop this morning? NFP, non-farm payrolls data dropped at 8:30. One of the bigger ones we get, so. Lauren, you're $330 away from passing your eval. Hopefully we can lock it in today. We gotta be careful though. It's been a tough week. We're green, but we've worked for it for sure this week. What's the data strategy? I don't have the time to explain it quick enough now for you to take it, but I do have a video on my YouTube about it. Oh no, Sebastian. Do I mark my... No, my indicator marks the pre-markets for me. It just automatically updates the levels. Thanks, Paula. Market's open. Share the live, everyone. Let's get it rolling. TikTok, share the live. Run it up. Run up the likes.
We're live and in action. action, everybody.
Let's do this.
Let's get it. Make ourselves some money. Let's go redeem some money today.
30-minute workday. What we need.
We need that, Grizzly. Come on.
Let's do it.
It's been a rough, tough execution week. Nice winner. I actually don't hate that 800 area for reject. Call me crazy.
That's what I'm watching. 800.
I don't usually take like rejects these days, but I don't hate that area.
800 to 823 looks solid. Come on. Previous week low, 24,668.
It's kind of dumping hard outside.
How much are you supposed to get today?
Like, instead of like 4 to 6 inches or something.
Nice. I'd say you're about over the snow, right? For the year?
It's getting close. We haven't gotten a lot this year.
We didn't either, really. We had that one good snow. That's about it.
Let's get focused. Oh. Keep it at home.
Welcome in, everyone. Good morning.
All right, everybody. I'm going to watch for this 800 area for reject for shorts.
I like it. I'm going to watch that as well.
I took my first payout yesterday of 1.4K. Let's go.
Any questions for me? We got plenty of time here. Unless we just rip up to 800, then we're going to watch for a possible reject. I feel like it's, let's see. You got VWAP up closer to 900. What's up? When do I have my first trimming? Why? Typically, in a perfect trade, we wait on our key levels, but we typically start trimming around 1-to-1. Some people I've seen in here, they've been waiting till, better, a little better, maybe like 2. I am glad it's Friday. Feels like a long week, right? Excuse me. Steam room definitely helped, though. The sinus infection. Recommend it. As long as you're not contagious, don't get everyone sick. No, don't do it yet. Don't sell off yet. One good trade, everyone. I'm manifesting of one good trade, 30-minute workday. If you see a setup you like, drop it in chat. Let's talk about it, okay? And I'm answering questions if you have one, TikTok or YouTube. Thanks, Denny. No questions? What's my favorite setup? Oh, I mean, when we actually get the chance to trade supply and demand these days, supply and demand entry, just like we talked about in the webinar. The best way to get familiar with my way of trading, I would say right here in this live, just ask questions, watch. Thanks, Jonathan. I'm glad you liked the webinar. If anybody was going to try the data strategy, this would be the area. When is the next webinar? It's going to be soon. It would be this coming. It would be, wait. It would be not this coming week, but the next, but I'll be traveling. I'll be in Florida. So as soon as I get everything straightened out, I'm going to schedule the next webinar because it's spring break time, with the kids and stuff, so. I text my back-end team this morning to release the webinar. So hopefully it gets released today, the recording of it. The weather's great in Florida, V-Man. I'll be finding out about it soon. Very soon. Like a week or so. Question is, do I stay at the Four Seasons again? Because the Wi-Fi was horrible there last time. I could not stream. I stayed there the last 2 times. Everything's crazy expensive right now to stay, where I guess it's spring break there as well, That data strategy is hitting. Did anybody take it? Come on. You know what the AI summary on TikTok says right now, where it's like listening? So I guess it gives people in the chat like a summary. It says trading grizzly bears and waiting for 800 level. That's what we're doing. You all right, TikTok? Data strategy. Smacked. Jesus.
When? Where?
Do you see me in chat?
Where? Oh, for the reverse, for the
Bounce, yeah.
oh, for the balance. I didn't know you did it with bounces.
You can do it from either side. Depends which way NFP pushes it.
I honestly, I don't think I've ever seen you do it with a bounce. I think I've only seen.
I've tried it before, but it doesn't happen as often. You know, like it's rare.
That's why I was like, I'd never seen that. I guess I never asked if it was valid for the bounce. I just kind of assumed it was for rejects. So I don't know.
Either way, as long as we have a big move, you know.
Yeah. $800 is what I like for shorts, everybody. We got pre-market high at up here. We have a pre-market high up here. We have our pre-market low. Yeah, we literally just wicked that and moved. Bring them out, bring them out. Oh, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. That work out? Your arms are sore? And your abs are sore? Oh, yeah.
It's hard to get my arms sore anymore. It's besides my forearms. They cramp when I lift heavy. What's up, Carolina? No idea what you're talking about. What is the data strategy? I think I have an old video on my YouTube of the data strategy, but I should update it with a little better details, but what time pre-market starts? It starts at 4 a.m. EST. Data strategy was it, everyone. It was it. Danny, I know you're up. We're still looking for a trade, though. We got a 15-minute range is nearly in, and it's good. Perfect place for it to be in as well, because we're close to the top. We could easily get the orb confirmation today. I did take it, momentum. I just don't call out the data strategy. I don't call it out because people stress me out with it, to be honest. It's about the only time I trade options. Nice, Duncan. You took the data strap, made 1,000 with 100 left. Nice. People have been taking it with futures and doing well. I'm always afraid to try it with, maybe, you could go super light, but I usually take options. Lauren, dang, taking trades on the side. Trust me. Trust me, for those that have been around for a while, I think you all can agree it's better that I don't call out the data strategy, because if there's drawdown, like there is sometimes, people lose it. Right? It's not how I'm spending my Friday, for sure. It's on YouTube, man. Find the video, watch it. Do I treat drawdown differently for futures versus options? Well, the data strategy is unique because you're basically positioned for, big loss. It's a light size type of trade, but honestly, I don't think I would treat options trade any different than I do futures trades now. Because the trade, or stop is where the trade invalidates. We'd have to do the same with options. Even when I used to day trade options only, I never set my stop on the options chart. I always watch the actual chart, for invalidation. If you were a live trader, you'd definitely be keeping some trades to myself. The chat is stressful. For the most part, every trade I take with you all if I'm live, besides the data strategy. And maybe if we had like just a crazy good morning, I didn't want to risk your profits, Hill, can you should check out the video. It'll help you understand it a lot better than I can right here. Plus, I want to see what we do. So, one moment.
Market, but it's had a lot of aggressive moves up and down.
What are you looking for?
Me, I'm not looking for anything.
Okay. I just want to see if you see anything.
No. I'd love some, Gene. Thank you. There it is. Yeah, basically this says that we've moved a lot, but we haven't had
Stomach growling again. Literally, it's like going crazy. Give us a nice futures trade. If I could get one solid trade, lock in another 4-figure day, at least in my week 3K, I would be extremely happy after a tough week. Kevin, I'm not in a trade. Not in a futures trade. You know what I'm doing really well on this year? It could be my best year yet. Is selling options. I had to hold some shares through a drawdown for a week or two, but I've been working it hard, like selling cash secured puts and covered calls. What stocks do I recommend for selling cash secured puts on? I'm using Mara right now, ticker MARA, but I recommend to do it on something that you don't mind holding long term at the price you're selling them. Something you like, maybe a stock you like, have high conviction in, good fundamentals. There you go, TikTok AI. That's better. The AI summary for TikTok right now is debating the pros and cons of trading futures versus options. Happy Friday. Can I explain why I'm watching the 800 area for possible reversal? You can see it if you zoom out. Like yesterday, we created some clear support there, and we fell through it with non-farm payrolls. I want to retest it and see if it's turned into resistance. You know, previous support turn resistance is what I'm looking for, Tom. Business inventories in 9 minutes. Thanks, V-Man. Kind of like it closer to VWAP 840. Maybe the 840 area. What's up, Orthodox? What are you referring to? Yeah, waiting. We gotta get out of this 15-minute range before we even consider entry, okay? Be sitting on the beach next weekend with no bad luck. No bad luck. Do I think this could be the start of a multi-month long drawdown? Kevin, I have no idea, man. I invest bullish long term and I day trade key levels and I sell options for income. I never know, which way we're gonna push in the short term. Past that, I'm telling you, let's wait until we get out of this 15-minute range. This blue box on our screen, let's wait till we're out of that for our entry, okay? Excuse me. Well, it sucks. I'm going to be on vacation. I'm in a calorie deficient right now. Calorie deficiency. I'm trying to cut. It's the worst. Is it storming there, G-Man? Being south. Supposed to go Florida this coming weekend with no bad luck. I was gonna do like a meetup, but I was overwhelmed by the amount of people that actually live in the area. So I don't know if I'll do an actual group meetup or just take, a few people out for like a steak or something. Just talk stocks, you know. Unless you all want to fish, then I'm down for that for sure. Go to Peanut Island. I don't think I've ever been there. Maybe I didn't know what it was called. People at the Four Seasons, they know me at the pool. It's always a good experience when I go there. But I don't know if I'll stay in the area. We'll see. This price action, honestly, is just horrible, right? Digesting that NFP move. What was the delta on that? Let me look for you, Brett. I got you. Look at this delta on this candle here. I'm assuming you're talking about, right? Negative 180. And this green candle here had positive 344 delta. And this one here, the red one, is currently negative 234 total. Let's do it, Daniel. No, we'll get out of this range. It's just digesting. I'm starting to feel like we're going to push down more, but we'll see. Which is cool with me. I wouldn't mind to push down. Get a short entry below this. The reason I do like this, actually I like this better to the downside. As far as the orb goes, I would rather it confirm to the downside because the 15-minute range pre-market low line up nicely. And that's why I like to see for trend. I mean, that's setting us up for a possible trend and orb entry, you know. I guess that's how you would put it. Risk on today. If we can get a confirmation on trade, I will go normal size today. If we did get, you know, good confirmation, very clear signal. I would like to make another hit a 4-figure day today. I was telling everyone, if you're just joining, I'm currently, I don't like saying only, but I'm up like 2,000 on the entire week. Okay. There we go. Data hit. Had a little data drop there. Must have been, market must have liked it. It's okay, let's go. See if we get the confirmation up to the upside. Take what we can get, right? It's probably gonna push right up to the reject level I was looking for and confirm the orb to the upside at the same time. Horrible price action so far, everyone. Please be careful trying to trade this. I haven't seen a legit setup yet in any strategy, so let's just be careful. What is normal size? What do you mean, like full size, Joseph? Remember, if I'm trading funded, I would say like 5-ish. MNQ. Personal. It really, it's not, I mean, I don't like to say it. I'm not being smart, but it's just not, it's irrelevant my size I use with personal. I hate telling people because they try to trade like I do, and you got to have the right size account, for my position size. Do I go down to the 1 minute? I do not. I rarely look at the 1 minute. Do you all use the 1 minute often? I'm curious. No. It just tricks me too much. You understand what I mean? It just like fakes me out too much on the 1 minute. Looks like we may get the orb confirmation. We'll see. We've still got time. Where's it at, Josh? Or Jacob? Where's it at? Can you tell me? So I don't have to switch. What's up?
I was saying, I'm watching for this 800 area rejection. Still, we just probably have to have like a 50-point stop to like 850.
Yeah, and you know what's going to be wild though? This orb's about to confirm.
I know.
And it's right close to it.
I know.
Or it's going to try. It could wick down here and not confirm, but I'm just saying it looks like it's going to.
It's a tough candle to short regardless.
Yeah. The orb strategy confirms where we're looking to reject. What do we do?
I know. It's tough. And that's the key to just pulling my heartstrings today. Just being toxic with my emotions.
Watch it wick back down before it closes.
1 minute left. I wouldn't look for shorts anywhere besides 800. That was the only level I had pre-market. Was it?
I don't really add to trades often, Joseph. As far as like day trades go, unless this is part of our plan, right? Beforehand.
800.
It's gonna wick back below this 15-minute range.
We might not get it though. We touched into yesterday's low, as you guys can see up here. Like we literally touched it to a T, and we're rejecting. Take that orange candle. So we'll see. It's just it's kind of hard to short this regardless.
I don't think I've ever believed in TFS.
Orb technically valid.
Orb is valid. Orb valid. This is a nice candle. Come on, a little lower. I'm going to try some longs we push down a little further. Let's see.
It's valid.
This market's just been tough this week. It's got us all a little hesitant.
Oh boy. 685.
This is the area, everyone. Let me see what it does here.
I know.
I'm so cautious.
They said we just had bad data this morning and we moved down so aggressively. Otherwise, I I don't hate the orb here.
And I hesitated. 720 should have been my entry.
I hesitated too. I mean, I not really hesitated. Just didn't really want to take it with our pre-market trend.
And it was a great setup. I just doubted myself.
Well, the 5-minute looks good, but everything else, I mean, you look at our data and like pre-market, everything's just been down. I still actually don't think it looks bad if we close this candle strong here. Just having a little less risk on trying it with stops below like 720. I don't think that looks horrible.
I'm just gonna chalk it up till I miss the orb strategy, everyone. I'm not looking for it now, okay?
We'll see.
Not looking for it any longer.
We'll see.
I'm glad you caught it, Fibonacci. It was a legit setup. I just hesitated. I apologize. It's on me. It's on me.
Still don't look terrible here. You think Grizzly, you trying it if you get your re-entry back down in the 20s?
No, not now. It already bounced. I hesitated and missed out.
Well, look, it only would have been like 30, 40 points too. So it's not like, you missed out on something
Yeah.
enormous. I just really want to see a big trend move.
Dang. Balling. Made 7,000. You are balling.
Nothing for me. I got it. I was watching, focused. That 1 minute chart doesn't
My
look good.
stomach is growling so loud.
This is why I didn't. I'm gonna try to.
So funny.
We got some aggressive move, and that would have been the stopping candle. If I would have taken those longs, that would have been stopped out right there. Bad news in pre-market action. How it and pre-market downtrend how it is. I just gonna be real careful on longs.
What are we looking for now? YouTube, TikTok, what's the next setup here? Let me have your thoughts. A penny for your thoughts. Let's see what kind of volume. Decent volume, but nothing, not giving the size of the candle.
All right, let's see. That's just not a good candle for either direction. Well, Grizzly, on the bright side, you could have gotten a scalp, but you didn't really miss out on much.
Yeah, it'd only been one trim trade anyways.
It would have been a huge trade, so that's good. It always feels a little better.
I wish that candle had more volume.
Gene's been killing it in Asia. Maybe we should start hopping on Asia.
Man, I don't know what he sees during Asia. I just don't see it.
Gene says he'll teach you.
May have to.
He says, Grizzly, I'm teach you for a case of moonshine.
Yeah.
Some moonshine, Mr. Grizzly.
Oh. He'd be outside trying to fight everyone. I gave him some moonshine. He wouldn't know what to do. You can put it in your vehicle and drive on it if you need to.
That is crazy. I said you can drive on it. Gene wants a case of quesadillas. And a Modelo. And some carne asada.
I just give Gene login to my personal. He can just trade it for me. I don't have to be there.
Yep. Me too, Gene. Please.
Harvey, can I get the real stuff? I don't know. I haven't tried in so long. Used to.
You know, typically speaking, I wouldn't actually hate a reverse orb here for shorts, but this candle's volume sucked. Like with stops above here, candle's volume sucked.
These candles, this price action's horrible.
I don't know what this is. This is crazy. Prop firms are feasting on this.
Yeah.
Oh. If for people that aren't trading with us, people that aren't trading DOD, prop firms are feasting.
Oh yeah, I drink a ton of whatever. That's about all I drink besides coffee. I don't like drinking, what do you all call them, soda or pop, whatever. Depends where you're from, I guess. Yeah. PA is awesome if you catch moving in the right direction. I don't see that, BDP. What are you trading? What strategy? I may be wrong, but I haven't seen a strategy that would confirm other than that orb. The patented hope and pray strategy. There you go. That's funny. It's like, okay, I get in this trade. If it goes red, I average down until I'm green. That's a joke. Don't do that, everyone. More interested in this short up here than I am anything. Let's just see what kind of volume's on this candle.
My gosh, don't reject it. What do you think, Grizzly? How's Delta looking?
Oh.
So reject?
I'm watching it. I'm going to watch like an 820 entry.
I am too. I want to see a little higher.
820. We got VWAP at 825.
This is a tough candle to short, though. Look at that 5-minute candle.
Yeah. But look at the red one before it, you know? It's kind of just back and forth.
It's just good. It's just tough to short. I'll still watch for that reject, though. I'm willing to start today red off that reject. I haven't had a red Friday in a hot minute. I'm not at the office, so that statistic isn't up at risk. But we'll see. I'd like to see a push up into like 800 to call it like 820. And have stops above this candle high at like 850. I'm a little nervous hesitant, I should say, not nervous, because of this 5-minute candle here.
YouTube, TikTok, what are we thinking here? Is it worth is it worth taking up here, trying a short, or
higher time frames,
or should we stay away from it?
Come on. I want to see up to like 820. Little too much risk right here.
Where would be the stops? A 5-minute close above VWAP, I guess.
Don't do it.
I think that may have been it, though. I don't know if we'll get it. We'll see.
Don't do it.
It's probably gonna be it.
It's gonna do it. Don't do it. Don't let me put on the bull mask. Start yelling at it. That bull mask was hilarious yesterday. Oh, don't tell me it's going to reject right.
Nice, sir. You're up 550 and done? Nice. The warp strategy is not valid for me,
one
everyone.
area I was watching was 800. I see it
any longer.
20. I also don't love that we're retracing first. I would rather see us move up and then straight down. I don't want to see us go and make some higher low and then move up. Like it's a little dangerous.
Could be right, Tracks. That's a good point.
Where's the 50% retracement from? That's a ways away. What about from here to here?
Patience is key. Well, I mean, the data strategy is still paying. that's a plus.
It's right around here. All right.
No trades yet, Steve. We're just waiting, see what's happened. See what happens.
I'm going to be trading micros today too, guys.
Did you all see that one guy?
Out with how volatile things have been.
You see that guy that took the position?
Not that that matters to you, but...
You see the guy that took the position in the Adobe, or whatever you call it, Adobe, I guess is... What's his name? He's a very popular guy. They had a movie about him. What is his name? Someone help me. I think it's... Was it the Big Short guy? Yeah, Michael Burry. Yeah. Yes, Michael Burry. And I think that's the dumbest move on his part. I mean, just my thoughts. Like, I don't know. I don't see it. I don't know why. He's just wanting attention at this point or something. He's taking some huge losses. I don't know how he's still profitable. I'm not talking bad about him. I'm just observing, you know. I don't like Adobe, honestly. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people in here do, but, you know, not something I like. Why go with that? There's just so many better opportunities. Thanks, Thomas. Thank you. He's still playing with profit from 2008. I mean, maybe, but I kind of doubt it. He's been wrong like 1,000 times, seems like. I mean, when's the last time he was right? Was it 2008? Oh, he got a PLTR short, right? Nice. What's up? Can everyone hear me? Give me a yes if you can still hear me. See my charts, all that good stuff. YouTube? Okay, good. Just making sure. Anytime I have someone that can't, I make sure. I'm watching up around VWAP for a short. You all can set it out if you like. I'm going to watch. I'll let you know if I take it.
I expect it, but
We're pushing up here, Jadon. Do we still try it, or are we going to set it out?
oh yeah, no, I'm watching for it for sure.
Just keeps rejecting this 800.
I'm watching for it. I'm watching for it.
Oh my goodness.
Here's what I'm conflicted on. Is we'd almost have to, like, I want to catch the lower high for the day. All right, we're at 810. 820. All right, my fingers on the trigger for shorts.
This is there if we're trying it.
Trying to piece of shorts up here, everyone. 810. Trying the shorts. It's higher risk. Stops at 850 for me. This is my main watch in the morning, so I did try him up there. See, 811 actually. With stops at 850.
I'll let you know if I get in, everyone. I'm watching. Stomach is growling like crazy.
If we end up nuking up, I'll stop out at 850. I'll be 0 for 1. I'll lose just under $1,000. My only fear is that we end up wicking this high and we find our lower high somewhere in here. So can look for re-entry. I'll keep my risk below 1 full loss, but I did try those shorts up here. That was my plan. Based on our pre-market action, if we go above this candle high, I'll stop out and be 0 for 1. This will be the first week Tuesday I went 1 for 1, but every other day I've lost my first trade.
Decent delta on those two.
This is my only trade from pre-market, so I did try it up there. If we don't break down this 800 and we build a base above it, then we likely move up. I want to see down to like 750 for any sort of trim. Otherwise, I'll get stopped out for a loss. Am I cooked, Gene? Am I going to be cooked on this trade? This has just not been my week. Not been my week so far, so we'll see. Keeping my risk minimal.
I'm not in a trade. I'm just looking. What's up, Orthodox? Good luck with what? That looks good for his shorts, but I'm not for shorts. It's holding. I mean, it's holding this area. Holding this 800. If we flush 800, it's game on, you know. But I'm not for sure if we will. I think no, Jadon should be still in the trade. You're still below VWAP. It looks good for shorts here. I just haven't seen enough confirmation for myself. Just like I could enter because I think it would, but you know, I don't take them based off what I think. I need to see something telling me here. There's a VWAP here, Warrior. This is the place to short. It's just his strategy is a little different than mine, so he's seen what he needed to. A little bit different. I think it's just could still pay him. Maybe this candle here gives us an entry. I'm not for sure. There you go. I bet if it keeps going like this, he's about to make a bag. We flush this. We got to hold below it, close below it here on the 5 minute. And it looks really good for his trade if it does. Come on, close below it. Hmm. Oh. It's just been a tough week with price action. I think we can all agree this has not been an ideal week for day trading, but at least we're going to end it green if you've been locked in this live with me. Not a huge week, but enough to pay for this day, you know? I know you all will not want to hear what I'm about to say next, but I don't have another setup, everyone. That was it. And that's invalid now. That is it. There's nothing else worth us waiting for now that I see. Do you all see anything? I don't see anything. What's up, Orthodox? You need something? Yeah, I'm gonna have to say that I think I'm gonna call it a week. I don't think there's anything in this area worth risking or money on. Please stay disciplined, everyone. You all can trade as long as you want, but please just wait on a legit setup. But I'll see you back here Monday. Looks like I made 2,000 this week. Still beats, a 9 to 5 that making someone else rich. Nothing wrong with a 9 to 5. I'm just referring to one that you don't like. You ever been stuck in that job you just don't like, but you're just there, pay the bills. All right, everyone. See you back in the morning, okay? Or not in the morning. Sorry, Monday. Peace.